Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Commander Cody from the Bad Batch. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, the legs and the arms came from this Wolfpack Trooper, as well as the hands. The torso and the head that I used came from this plain Phase 1 Clone Trooper. For his backpack, I used the 1x1 from the Jetpack Trooper and the neck bracket from the 501st Heavy. And finally, I added the helmet from this Phase 2 Clone Trooper and added a grey visor. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I'm quite pleased with how this minifigure has turned out. I would have used the actual Commander Cody's head, but I don't have that at the moment, so this will have to do. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend subscribing if you haven't already, and maybe giving it a like. And just in case anybody was wondering, the photo here has him using the Poe Dameron hair. If you like clones going rogue, you may want to check out my LEGO Gregor tutorial on the end screen now.